Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Twindy. How to make your ex-boyfriend regret after breaking up with you. For those that are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. The first thing you need to do to make him regret after breaking up with you is cut him off. Don't let him have access to you anymore. So what I need by cutting him off is do not message him, do not let him call you. If you want to, you can even block him, and I will recommend that you block him on every app, on your calling, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, and everywhere. Do not let him have access to you anymore. And I know this guy is somehow is going to want to stalk you, so please don't put on set quotes on your stories, because this will make him feel like, oh, this chick is still not over me. I can get her if I want to. I can get, he's going to brag to his friends or to whoever, or you make him feel more like he can still get you. He'll still not miss you or regret. Try to focus on yourself more. Try becoming a better you. After leaving you, guys hate it when their ex are looking better than they were when they were with them. Oh, that was long, but yeah, I hope it made sense. Yeah, try to look good always. Try to go to the gym, get your dream body, be happy. If you're not an outgoing person, try to go out to new restaurants, try out new things. Go to this restaurant, go to this club if you're a club person. And if you're not a club person, please just try to go to this nice place, go to the lounge or somewhere nice, go to the beach. Just try to be that girl. Guys hate it when they see their ex happier and hot after leaving them. So if you look hot and he happens to see you, because I know somehow this guy is stalking you. I said that before, right? And maybe one of your friends still talks to them. So yeah, maybe your friends post you, he will regret. On your Instagram post or on your Twitter or somewhere, I don't know which other apps you guys are using, but try to post hot pictures. Try to be hot, try to be nice, and don't put on these set codes. Do not let him know that you're not happy. He will be hurt after seeing that. And when you guys break up, I'm supposed to say this first thing. When you guys break up, please let him have the last word. Do not try to beg him. Do not beg him like, no, stay, I love you, it will really hurt me if you leave, or something like that. Don't. If you didn't say anything, or if you didn't beg him, it will leave him wondering if you really loved him or you're just using him. Though I know you wanted to stop him from leaving, do not stop him from leaving, because it's going to, I don't know, but yeah, I know you guys understand. Let him know that you have other options, not only him. I know today or early in the morning, some days you wake up missing him and you see other people on Instagram with their boyfriends. Please let that not intimidate you. Do not lose your focus. And your friends, you need to hang out with your single friends more, because I know if you try to hang out with your taken friends, your friends that are in relationships, they'll make you feel lonely. I'm telling this out of experience. Do not associate yourself with people that are in relationships. Try to hang out with your single friends. I know these girls, they'll always try to link you up with somebody that is single, and you also not be thinking about whatever hurt you. I know. Try to have fun. When you are happy, do not think about those negative stuffs anymore. And do not talk about him anyway. perhaps you go to your friends, yeah, forever talking about how you guys used to do not think about him. Try to focus on yourself. Like I said, do not think about him, do not talk about him. It's now about you. And the next thing is, next guy you get, please do not, he should be at a higher level than him. If he was here, let him be here, let him have more money, let him be driving your ex dream car, let him be just clean. Try a guy that just have more standards or higher standards than him. Especially when he sees you doing more for yourself. You are working now, you are having this guy, this dark guy or light guy that is having a beautiful car, driving his dream car, having a big house, and you seem happy. He will not like it, I swear. You see him getting a new number and texting you, or he will look for Snapchat or just anything. He'll DM with unknown accounts on Instagram. He'll I don't know how to explain, but it will hurt him more. Just understand. Please, do not post sad quotes on your Instagram. No, don't. If he comes back, if he begs you, or he start DMing you, please don't take him back. Don't. It will hurt him, because I know you want to hurt him, right? This is the point. Hurting him is the point, and making him regret. Yeah, please don't take him back. He must know that now you have moved on, and you're not that girl anymore. You also need to be a better version of yourself. Maybe you didn't take care of yourself as much as you needed to when you're in a relationship, as you got too comfortable with him. Please try to take care of yourself. Do your skincare, do your makeup, do your nails. Just do anything. Girls, I'm going to tell you something. This is a secret. Don't say it out loud, because guys might know. Guys hate it when they see their ex glowing and looking more hot and prettier after leaving them. It hurts them. So just try to be that. Looking good is the top thing. Try to be a better version of yourself. Okay, that's it. This video is not too long, and I made it really short. So thank you for watching, and I will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel.